All right, you little fifth graders, it is time to continue on with our beautiful review. Today we'll be reviewing adding and subtracting decimals and multiplying whole numbers and multiplying decimals. So first, let's practice this adding decimal problem. Do not forget to line it up by its decimals and then add on your sheet of paper. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. First things first, we got to line it up. 7 and 41/100ths. Put the 0 under the 7, the 6 under the 4, the 4 under the 1, and then we have 2 by itself. Add a 0 as a placeholder. All right, now we just add. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. Bring down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then you bring down the decimal. Your answer should have been 8 and 52 thousandths. The next one. Subtract the decimals. Do not forget to line up the decimals. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. We have 391 and 56 hundredths minus 186 and 27 hundredths. They all line up perfectly. Now we just subtract. 6 minus 7, you can't do it. Borrow from the 5, it becomes a 4. The 6 becomes a 16. And now we must subtract 16 minus 7. And that, of course, equals 9. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 1 minus 6, you can't do it. Borrow from the 9, it becomes 8. And then the 1 becomes a beautiful 11. So now we must subtract 11 minus 6. And that, of course, equals 5. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Bring down the decimal. 205 and 29 hundredths. Now, let's move on to multiplication. Multiply 319 times 16. Do that on your sheet of paper and pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did, or good. All right, the first thing we must do is multiply 6 times 9. That, of course, is 54. Carry the 5. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Bring down the 1, carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Mark out these. Bring down a 0. 1 times. Now we're going to multiply by 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And now we add. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Bring down the 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Bring down the 1. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Your answer is 5,104. It should have been if you did everything right. Now, our final practice, multiply these two decimals. 73 and 4/10 times 0 and 61 hundredths. And remember, you don't have to line up decimals when you multiply decimals. Pause the video and solve that problem. Do that now. Pause the video. Alright, let's see how bad you did. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 7 is 7. Bring down the 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Bring down the 4. Carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Bring down the 0. Carry the 2. And then 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 2 is 44. And now we add it up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Nothing plus 4 is 4. Nothing plus 4 is 4. Now, I got to figure out where the decimal goes. You got one place over here. 1, 2. You got 2 places over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. That means I move this over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Your answer is 44 and 774 thousandths. And the truth shall set you free. Now, little 5th graders, you are ready to do your assignment. And if you don't like that, guess what? Too bad, so sad.